Hello my sugar plums, welcome back to my channel guys. In today's video I'm gonna be making some very simple yet very elegant bookmarks. We're gonna be using a lot of pinks and blues and purples now because I'm making those bookmarks solely for my kids and that's their color preference. Now those bookmarks are just very easy to make guys, and I got those mold a while ago, probably like 3 or 4 years ago, and I make a lot of bookmarks before, and I had a bunch of them made sitting there, and I literally just ran out because my daughters keep using all of them, so they literally keep asking me for more bookmarks, so I had to go and make more for them. Now I also am gonna be using some bookmark ends, or technically they are not bookmarks and they are bookmarks themselves that I got the set on Amazon for this set I got a while ago, probably maybe 1 or 2 years ago, and I never got to use them. It come like this, and you can use them. If they are bookmarks, you can just use the bigger part inside the book and the little chains, that's the part that's gonna be dangling outside, but I'm gonna be using them as my bookmark end. And I have 3 because the set came with 3. I only bought 1, so I'm gonna be making 3 more because I'm making a set of 6 bookmarks. And for the other 3 shorter bookmarks, I'm gonna be using those little birdies. I love them. They are so cute. They are from Totally Dazzle. I end up using only 2 of them. The last one, the white one, this one, I end up not use because the way the back is, it's have like the almost like a hollow back, and it was hard for me to glue the little hook on the back itself, so I end up using something else. It's the same something from the same company, Totally Dazzle, but it was like a hearted wing thing, but you'll see what I meant. But it still end up being on the same theme of wing birdie and stuff like this. I'm gonna be using Promise resin for this. Yes guys, I have bought a new batch because I was done using the last one that I have. Like I say, it was completely yellow, so I had to finish it. Now I just mix my resin off camera because you guys, it's 1-to-1. You don't want to be sitting there and watch me do this for like 4 minutes mixing and everything. So I did 100 millimeter of resin, but it still was a little bit of too much resin to use for that. So if you're gonna be doing the set the same, if you have the same mold that I have, because they're not a deep mold, they are very small, they are very shallow, so I'll say maybe like 60 millimeter will be enough. Or like if you wanna make a lot, if you wanna mix a little extra, I'll say go 70, because I still had a lot of resin left, so I use in other mold that I had sitting there. But this is me using the different pinks that I have and blues and purples, and I also mixed 2 different glitter from Let's Resin, and those are the chunky holographic one. I had one that was like had a pink undertone, and another one that had like a purple undertone for the glitter. So I'm gonna be making them now guys. I have 2 daughters, one 13 and one 10-year-old, and both of them are homeschool. They've been homeschooling now since COVID happened, and they are in Mica Christian school. That's where they've been homeschooling for like 3-4 years now, and absolutely love it. I love the freedom of homeschooling my kids, but they're always running out of bookmarks, and I had a bunch of bookmarks in my workroom, and they already used all of them, so I had to go and make them different ones. Now because my 2 daughters, they are completely different. Like I said, one is a pink girl, my oldest one is a pink girl, she loves everything pink, and my youngest is purples and blues and black. So I'm using those colors to kind of make the bookmarks for them, and it's quite easy guys to make. As you can see, there's nothing special that I'm making. I just mix my colors. Some of the pinks, I mix 2 of the pinks together, and the blues, I mix 2 of the blues, and then I mix just 1 purple and another pinkish undertone. I think it was like the peach color that I didn't mix. and then I just pour them and then pour a little bit of glitter on it, just making it simple, guys, because it's gonna have the other butterflies and other stuff at the end. It's just gonna make it look nice and elegant. You don't be sometimes, less is more. So I use my torch on very, very low setting, and I tried not to go on the side. I stay basically in the middle. If you're not comfortable with that, just use alcohol ink, not alcohol ink, just use regular alcohol to just spritz and remove the bubbles. Now I'll let everything cure for overnight, and this is the next day. My bookmarks are cured, but with those bookmarks, they're still gonna be very bendy and flexible. So I'm not gonna remove them from the mold, because I'm gonna go ahead and add my flowers and my stickers to them, and then I'm gonna top coat them with a small top coat of clear resin, just to let them cure so the stickers can be nice and sit in them. And I'm just going to be using some holographic stickers that I use. Those are the same one that I used on the last domino set that I made. I believe that was the holographic domino set back that I made. I'll link that for you also somewhere on the screen or below on the description box. So make sure you check that out, because those dominoes were absolutely beautiful. So I just went in, because I have a butterfly, a lotus flower, and a koi fish. I'm just gonna go with the big one and add kind of something that kind of matched them. And also, once I finish adding those holographic stickers, I'm also gonna be adding some golden sticker awarding to them also, just kind of give it a little bit of and then I'm gonna top coat it with a small top coat of resin, and we're gonna let that cure again overnight. As you can see, those letters word that I have, the stickers, I got them a while ago from Amazon. Of course, Amazon, because I always buy everything on Amazon. Surprise, surprise. Now, the set had came with a lot. And guys, I probably have those for maybe 3-4 years now. And I still haven't finished using all of them. I still have a lot of them left. The set come with different ones. Some French, some German, some English, some butterflies and mermaids and stuff. So everything, I have I think the package come with 12 sheets of different ones. So again, if you want to know everything that I use, just click on the Amazon link below, because every time I use something, I just make sure that I take that thing and put on in the store, so that way you guys, if you click on it, you can see everything that I use, and it will be easy for you to find. Maybe some stuff that I use, because I've been doing this for years now, some stuff they have discontinued, so maybe some stuff you'll not be able to find, so you can try to find something similar. But yeah, this is what I'm working right now. So all I'm doing right now, I'm showing you the wording that I put on them and the sticker, how they look, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and mix a little bit of resin, and I believe I mix 20 or 30 millimeter of resin. You can see I use a little medicine cup thing, and I just mix my resin in them, and then I'm just gonna go slightly over them and make sure that everything is nice and coated and top coat on them. And because I'm using Promise resin, it's a very thick resin. It have thick viscosity resin, because it's a tabletop resin, so it's it's thick enough to sit there and not run all over the place. So I mix that, let it sit for a couple minutes, and then I go over it and top coat the whole bookmarks, all of them. And then I'm going to be showing you what they look like after I put the resin on them, and then I let it sit completely overnight, and then it will be time to demold and add my little trinket in on the bookmark part. So one of the thing I've completely forgot to record when I was doing the part when I was adding the little butterflies and stuff on, you know, at the end of the bookmark. But I'm gonna be showing you. It's quite easy because they come with a little hook, just like, you know, a chain or necklace chains or anything. You just open it, remove the chain on it, make sure you stick the chain into the little bookmark hold, and then add the little hook again, and that way it'll stay. So this part of the bookmark is gonna be showing on the outside, while the bookmark itself gonna be, you know, inside the book. Super easy. And guys, it took me 2 days to do, just because, you know, it's resin, you have to let it sit and cure overnight, and I had to do it in twice. So this is what the bookmarks look like after I removed them and finished top coating. This is day number 3. I'm showing you what they look like. They look absolutely gorgeous, very beautiful, and I love the color scheme that I use, the purples, and it goes really well with the stickers, the holographic stickers, and the gold, you know, wording that's on them. Now I'm showing you how beautiful this is, the lotus flower one. Probably this one is probably my favorite one. I like, because, well, I like purples and blues and stuff. So the lotus flower on it, it makes really make it really elegant. I love those they are bookmarked themselves. Like if you want to buy them, you can just use them as bookmark. And as for the little birdies, those are from Totally Dazzle. I just went and added a little hook on the back and cut a little bit of the chain of the same bookmark, the lotus flower, the butterfly, and the koi fish, because it was super long. So I just cut them in half and take the same chain, and I just made it the little hook, and then, you know, make my own, you know, part to add to the bookmark end. It's very simple, guys. You can do whatever you want with them. If you don't want to add those, you can just add a little bit of, you know, whatever you want, basically. But I believe those make them look so very elegant and very beautiful, very simple yet very beautiful. So yeah, those are made, I made them for my kids, and, you know, I had fun making them. So I wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like it, don't forget to click like. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe and share it with your friend and family. And if you're an OG subscriber and you're here again, thank you so much for stopping by and watching again my video. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. I love you guys so much. I'll see you on the next video. But until then, guys, you know the drill. Be blessed and stay blessed. Bye, guys. I love you. Bye. Mwah.